Don't do this at home. There you go.
Stop.
We're just gonna press the green button and then hold this.
Yep.
There you go.
Bada boom, bada bing.
I need water. I'm saved! I'm saved! I'm saved! Oh, we just lost power.
Yep.
We drained the battery and I didn't finish the backyard. It's only been about 20 minutes. Maybe it's just the first battery, who knows? But this is actual footage of a first time lawn cut. Fuzzy, you see the bird? Who cares?
We have some real life camera footage of a wild fuzz in her natural habitat.
There it is.
Oh man, she was coming. Went to that tree, then a little bit lower, then over there watching you coming down.
I think you said you got a longer charge on yours.
My grass wasn't this long.
But still.
Yeah, but I told you what I did though. I cut at 7, less pressure on the battery.
Oh.
The lower you cut, right, and the thicker the grass is, the harder it is on the batteries, and the battery will discharge a lot faster.
And this was words of wisdom from Joey.
If you ever see a red light here, that means the battery's either no good, or the battery's being overheated, or the charger's being overheated.
Fuzzy! Fuzzy, hurry, get back inside! Okay, people. You got the second battery in.
Push the button.
Hold.
Look how thick that grass is. And she's cutting through like butter. Oh jeez.
I finally finished. So it almost did the whole lawn, but it's really thick. It had it on mulch. Now let's check out this.
There you go. So what do you say, Cheeks?
Oh! Got her done. Live life loud, cheers, and
Cheeks is dead.
Cheeks out.
No trimming in the front?
Nope, I'm done.
Poor Cheeks is done.
The main objective
Oh.
was to get the grass cut before the neighbors come and hunt me down.
And complaining to the township.
I've been so busy doing reviews, product reviews for you guys, right? Working hard for you.
What? Joey Leo Jr. Out of here.
Comment, like, and subscribe. We appreciate the support. Product Patrol, big fun product reviews. Catch you later. Hello, my friends. This is the second time we're going to be cutting the grass with the Greenworks. And let's see if we can get her done on one battery, one charge. All right? So here we go, people. There's no mulch plug. Let her rip. I'm finished in one battery. I did the whole lawn front and back. And the first time around, I had the mulch on. It was a little thicker, the grass. It wouldn't even do 1/2 of this lawn. Cheeks approved. Let's go check the battery. Look at that, it's got one charge left. Whew. I am wiped. Now I got a little bit of charge for the trimmer.